Tonight I will make a rusty nail. A rusty nail is a fantastic drink. Fantastic drink. It is just 2 ingredients, whiskey and Drambuie. So I have got my whiskey here. I'm using Laphroaig. This is a very peated whiskey. I have my glass here. So I'll take, actually I'll add ice first. No, I'll add the whiskey first. Listen. So I'll add 2 parts whiskey. 2 parts whiskey to my glass. So here we have it. I'm just going to pour my whiskey into my glass, just like so. There we have it. So that is 2 parts whiskey in my glass, just like that. And then 1 part of Drambuie. So I've got a glass here. This is my Drambuie, and I will just run out of table space. So I'll add 1 part of Drambuie. This is a whiskey liqueur. It's whiskey, but it has added honey and spices. So it's very sweet, very sweet. So here we have it. So I'm going to add one part. Just like so. There we have it. And let me just put the bottle stopper back on. And then add some ice. I have my ice here. As it's a large lump of ice, I'm going to add that to my drink. And then I have here a cherry, and I'll add a cherry as a garnish to my drink. So I'll let that infuse and chill. And there we have. Actually, I'll stir that. I'll give that a cheeky stir. Oops, daisy. I'll give that a cheeky stir. And may I just say to everybody here, cheers. I mean, that is delicious. If you like whiskey, and if you like sweet drinks, so whiskey is not a particularly sweet drink. But if you prefer sweeter drinks, this is definitely the drink for you, because I don't know why I've lost my train of thought. No, it's because it's you adding the Drambuie. Drinking this on its own is extremely sweet. Adding it to a cocktail, it makes it slightly more palatable, and it's just a pleasant beverage. You can drink it and you think, oh, this is a very nice after-dinner drink. Absolutely delicious. So may I just say to everybody here, cheers.